What up, vlog world? You're some scrupulous. I like this in my hair. You don't know it's your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo! How are you, them? Guys, today is Saturday, August 11th. We have Kin around there. We have Tamika right here. We're on our way to the Montego Bay Convention Center for the Beauty Expo. Next year, Belly gone and so, my belly some and so. We'll go set up for the expo. Why am I so extra? Currently on the top road, you know, quickly approaching the convention center.
Very encouraging. Chapter said, Mommy, no, please don't drive fast.
So, yeah. Can you run this up on our phone as usual? Phone tete.
We can't do that.
Yeah, choking.
I'm not a phone tete.
Kin, somebody messaged me one day via YouTube. Why don't you let Kin vlog more?
I like.
I say she be shy, yo. So yeah, we're going there now. We're gonna check back in with you guys when we're there. So keep it locked to Skylife TV because this is your girl, Melica Skylife. On YouTube, Tamika, when she don't have on makeup, she look different from when she put on makeup. And she always surprise you. She named Lyric Rochester. Oh, that's frivolous. But it's coming up ahead. But she's gonna be there.
At the expo.
Yeah, she want a brand ambassador. Oh, I guess I just have to turn. Friend of Tamika. You got Portland.
Last time I came in was up there too.
You went on a trip to Portland the other day.
Who him?
Yeah.
You see what he tell you?
You see funny something? Snap. You number on my phone.
I have said.
Yes.
You have your number.
Yes, we see my baby. Yeah. Hey, sweetheart. Hi. A lot of people up there. A lot of people up there. How was your trip to Portland?
Darn fun.
Where in Portland you went?
Winnipeg.
Oh, okay. Okay. Take care.
I can one of always have a little cute little smile on his face.
There's so many individuals out there that are so talented in different things that never accomplish anything. The world is filled with talented people, and they never accomplish anything. The body has limitations, the mind does not. We focus so much on what goes on from the neck down that we forget it all starts from here.
You know, I have some sample product them. Good face skin and sample.
What's her name?
Jamaica. T-A-M-I-K-E-A.
I just saw your sister.
My sister?
Yes.
No, it couldn't be.
Actually, two of them.
Really?
They just went inside.
Oh, they have the same last name?
Yes.
Oh.
What's your email address?
Tamika Williams.
It's I-R-E.
T-A-M-I-K-E-A.
We're inside now, guys, so we're just registering and stuff. We have Tamika here, so kin over this. So you registered already?
At gmail.com. Oh, this is wrong.
Wait. Fine.
Feel nourished, hydrate your skin naturally.
Masha, bad makeup or something? They didn't give it out free, me understand.
You want unscrupulous with the right? Yeah. Run just surprised. Me never think they are saying look.
He's very corny.
Yeah.
Me, I wonder.
But no, Dr. Love the Tamika with friend.
One of my friends go call on I'm father. When we shut I'm father. So anyway, I can't send him home because he passed it 2 times.
They never make him graduate because they went home early. They never make him graduate high. Yeah. You know, remember I know from that? Mommy should have come in a car. Guys, I think the start really is with the mark in button start, press start here. Like I don't really like it. Have a look. Tell me, have a look. Clean.
Attracting new fans on social media, upgrading, enhancing, and I'm over, and I'm gonna have one of our hosts.
So we take different forms. We are good at almost everything that we do.
So guys, we're here right now. Tamika is about to do our eyebrows. We are here with just the lyric round this up. Whatever gone to her. A YouTuber, lyric Rochester and stuff. So that's what we're currently doing now. El Greco. I just was telling you that. Yeah, so so guys, finally I decided to call to her.
Finally. And my convince her to stay till 4 o'clock. I'm going to present. So please tell her, well, if them tell her, them not go. Never mind, I'm going to tell her nothing because she's gone by the time this vlog go. But come stay, please, please.
We're here with some other people. What about the fitness?
No, products and wellness. That marketing for entrepreneurs, that's not about.
So, so guys, we're done with the expo. What's a fisherman? You can't tell about them in a youth. Finish with the expo and heading in town and stuff now. No, they don't wait. Can't go record long because music are playing in the background or get copyright. So
I want to listen to my radio. You want to order?
no, I'll turn back. Once you reach 30 seconds, you get a copyright for that. So yeah, we're heading in town now. We're gonna have a fun filled day. and stuff. Me eat one something from Snap that place. One place.
Snap at a Fontana you get it from.
And a Fontana me get it from.
Oh, the photo shop you get it from.
So there's something about.
Why in front of me I go on green like that man?
The Photoshop. The thing sweet.
It's so extra.
No man, it's sweet man.
Sweet man,
Sweet.
You what you see?
I want to film him out.
Me hope me not drop asleep, but me go. I know me love sleep. Anyways, that we're gonna deal with right now. And thing get some food and thing.
You know what you are doing in front of me? The ultimate car accident.
Yes. How can I carry this? What? Me not even know anything.
I want to steer it.
Me not laugh. So we're gonna deal with that now. I saw Lyric, as you guys see, and I spoke to her, which Mr. Minnie go talk to her because I don't know him well. So, but yeah, she's a pretty nice girl. Literally, she's a pretty nice girl, and you guys can subscribe to her channel. She got 200K. That's so good. And subscribe to mine as well. You know. Yes, let's keep it locked. I'm baiting some later. Guys, your chest burn up. We're currently on the beach. We're about to chill. All about a chill life, you know. Yeah, I'm taking some. I'm gonna get a tan.
Hold on. Tan or tongue?
Oh god. You part over the top. What is it doing?
What's a deep?
It's standing loose over there. And like you they walk, and part of it just deep. And see. But yeah, we're back at that Doctor's Cave Beach in Montego Bay.
We are back.
We are back. I'm too vulgar, you know.
Yeah.
We're not so bit of lighting poor. Wait, right there though?
So.
Yeah, so we'll get settled and stuff. We're gonna watch and things. You'd have to come the other way so you don't look dark. Like this way. Can we go watching swordfish there? Broadcast no show. Hi guys, Melica and Tamika. We're at the beach as usual, our playground. Oh. Want me drive up later? Anyways guys, we're at the beach today and I encourage you guys to spend quality time with your friends.
Of course.
Because your friends are the people that you will have in your lowest point in your life, which you will reach by some age or something. You will reach. So friends are very, very important to have, you know. Friend different from family and friend different from boyfriend. Don't make a boyfriend take away from your friend then. Yeah guys, so that's what we're doing. Body out, that booty out. Whee! Guys, I'll be going to the beach a lot. Well, we're seeing some swordfish in the water and stuff. The beach is very, very beautiful. I love the beach. I see some Elon, some Nemo fish. Some fine Nemo fish down there. So, anybody watch Shark Tale? Like, there was a point in my life where I watched Shark Tale every single day. Still me know everything in there, police station and everything. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. I think we're gonna end the vlog. It's Tamika's birthday, so we can't end the Tamika's birthday is tomorrow. By the time you guys see this vlog, her birthday will be past. But
shout out
her happy birthday just the same. Tamika Skylife. Just the thing. Turn to Tamika. Let him. Guys, light in a flash, me going. Sorry. Hi guys, we're out for dinner for the birthday girl. Wish her happy birthday below. We are at Traxton Records in Montego Bay, St. James. Okay, so we're about to order and enjoy our night. I just wanted to check in with you guys so you know that what we're up to. I know I didn't end the vlog properly yesterday, so I want to let you guys know that I didn't forget about you. I just got really busy and really tired. So we're going to that. OT, never in love with the OT. Hot girl. Bogle. She just got her birthday cake and she's having that now. We had our meal already. I'm gonna insert a clip of the meal because checking with you guys when we're having the meal. But I had a curry goat with white rice and vegetable and mango chutney. She had, what is it again? Penny pasta? No, chicken Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo with whatever it's up. I don't know when it's up there. Sweet man. Sweet, that's too sweet for me. Yeah. So that's how we're doing now. We'll check back in with you guys. I don't know where the night's gonna bring us.